Shulk. Is that...
Spear ones! Loads and loads of spear mechon!
It's Fiora! This isn't good! Fiora! Come on! Speed! Gale Slash! Alright! I'm feeling it! Electric Blaster! Worldly! We can definitely do this! Cheers, Shulk! Come on! Electric Blaster! Powering up!
Light heal!
Yeah! Now it's last time! Gale Slash! We can definitely do this! We move at the same pace! Cheers! Electric I'm powering up! Worldly! We need your strength! Alright, I'm feeling it! Let's keep up the pressure! Gale Slash! Split Edge! Electric Gutbuster! Yeah. All together now! We can definitely do this! Nana, lend us your power! This is the last one! Gale Slash! Let's focus our efforts! No problem! More enemies! Worldly! Electric Gutbuster! Yeah! Powering up! Slash! Gale Slash! Electric Gutbuster! Now it's right. Backslash! Okay, here we go! Take this! I can feel the strength! Stop! Don't you recognize Shulk? Fiora! Fiora, please! Don't you remember us at all? It's no use! Everyone, it's time to retreat! Got it!
Understood.
Move! Shulk!
You alright? Yeah, I think so. What do we do now, Shulk? We ain't gonna last long here.
Fiora! Try and remember! It's us!
I pity you. Without the power of that sword, I doubt you would ever have made it this far. Apocrypha, activate.
What is...
Hey, what's going on? What's happened to the Monado?
Look out! Shulk! I'm... okay.
Shulk, wait here!
Fiora! Stop this right now! How could you? Shulk came here to save you! Do you hear me? Fiora!
You must run!
Fiora! Fiora! Or... whoever you are!
Please, run! The machine is not under my control.
Not under your control? Is it him?
Most surprising. I admit I never expected such resistance to becoming a faith.
Egil.
Fiora! What have you done to her?
From the moment of their creation, all Mechon are mine to control. Should a passenger defy me, I force it to obey.
Why make Homs into Mechon? Why are you making them attack Bionis?
If you wish to know, you have only to submit yourself to me. All will become clear when you attack Bionis with a new body born of Mechonis.
Never! Who would ever submit to you?
Forget about him. We have to get out of here.
But what about Fiora?
If we die here today, she will be lost forever.
Choose. I have rendered the Monado useless. You have no hope of victory or escape.
You chunk of scrap! So it was you who did that to the Monado!
The Monado is a tool that regulates the waves of the very ether from which the world is formed. Therefore, it can be counteracted simply by releasing opposing waves.
But how can you?
The questions end here. Hand over the Monado. After all, it is no longer of use to you.
Never! If the Monado really is powerless, then why would you want it for yourself? I will never give it to you. Never!
Then make your choice. Be crushed by my fist, or slain by your old friend.
Egil!
Let's focus our efforts. Not a problem.
Gale Slash!
A feeble attack!
Alright, I'm feeling it. Dunban, don't worry about it.
A feeble attack!
Hey!
Soaring!
Yeah! All together now!
Pitiful!
Hammer!
A feeble attack!
Electric!
A feeble attack!
Hey! Hammer!
Electric!
A feeble attack!
This isn't going well.
Die! Kneel before me!
This isn't going well.
Steel yourself! The fight has only just begun!
Die!
You can do it!
A feeble attack!
Here we go! Lariat! Yeah! Let's get him! A vision.
Die! A feeble attack!
Shadow Eye! End of the line for you, pal. Hammer!
A feeble attack!
Electric!
Dunban!
A feeble attack! Die!
Okay, here we go! Ha! Slash!
Your efforts are
Dunban!
meaningless.
We're counting on you! Leave it to me!
Right!
I know!
A feeble attack!
In your face!
Your efforts
We
are
are one with the
meaningless.
battlefield!
We did it!
A feeble attack! Pitiful!
Cigarette! I'm powering up! Oh no!
Pitiful!
Get it! Hit 'em hard next time!
A feeble
Thank you!
attack!
Electric!
A feeble attack! Pitiful! This will be your undoing!
I cannot allow this. That boy is at risk.
Shulk! Don't let him die! Help Shulk! Help them!
Who are you?
This is the end. Heir to the Monado.
Whoever you are, please lend me your strength. I won't let you do this!
Fiora!
How dare you defy me? Worthless machine!
Fiora!
Egil. No matter how much you yearn for revenge, I will not permit you to have your way.
The Monado? But how?
No, stop!
Please, survive.
Will you die for them? What is this?
Fiora!
Not good! Let's get out of here!
Shulk! Where are you? Shulk, get back here! Fiora!
Power of that face. No, that is not possible. It cannot be.
The fortress has collapsed? What of Melia? And Shulk?
The observation was based solely on long-range intelligence. We cannot be any more specific.
You don't need to worry about them.
But...
Take it easy. I've got a pretty good idea where they are. If you're gonna attack, you better do it now. Their fortress ain't completely destroyed. Or do we just sit here and wait to die?
Shall I perform the divination ritual now?
Forgive me, Seer. That will not be necessary. From now on, we will seize our destiny with our own hands.
We don't need to see the future. The Mechon forces are on their way. No doubt about it. I like the look in your eye there, lad. It's time. This is war!